So over here, you can see that I have a 3D view. I am in the stage view right here, and you can see that this is the camera right here. So if you were to go to camera, just like this, if you were to click on the camera, then you can go around and work around with the camera right here. You can go around, move the camera right here, left and right, top and down, as you can see right here. And you can even add in keyframes to the camera by clicking on the keyframe button right here. You can move around the camera right here, just like this. And you can go around over here, just like this, and move around the camera right here again. So you can go around. Let me just go around and move the camera over here onto the right, just like this, and add in a keyframe over here, just like this. So this is the camera right here, and let me just go around and then move this. So let me click on the camera right here, move around right here, and then what happens is that there you go, there's the camera animation that you can add as well. So besides this, what you can also do is you can go around over here. So what you can do is go around, take the camera, so you can move this. You can move the camera up over here, as you can see, and you can also change around the viewport right here, just like this, as you can see, and get the camera view that you want. If you want to view the camera alongside when you're actually working around with camera, you can grab the camera view right here. So you can also go and click on the plus button right here and enable camera view if you don't have this already, and click and drag it and keep this onto the side. So once you do that, what happens is that you have a camera view onto the side, as you can see, just like this. So this is the camera view, as you can see. So you can go around over here, and then you can go around right here to select out the camera. You can move this, and you can see how this would actually look on the camera view over here. So you can move this onto the side, you can rotate this around right here, as you can see, and work around with this. And that is how you can work around with camera movement inside of 3D space inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.